Look at this. This tiny creature, a silkworm, is doing something no machine on Earth has ever fully replicated. For nearly 3 days, it spins a single continuous silk thread, thinner than a human hair, in a perfect figure-8 motion. When it finishes, that one small worm has produced a thread nearly 1 mile long, all wrapped inside a single cocoon. Now imagine thousands of these cocoons inside a factory, because this is where the real transformation begins. The cocoons are placed in hot water, where delicate filaments are carefully unwound and combined into raw silk thread. Those threads move through a chain of precision machines. Twisting machines strengthen the yarn. Jacquard looms weave complex luxury patterns. Dyeing vessels add color under controlled heat. And massive finishing rollers polish the fabric until it shines with that unmistakable silk glow. More than 50 industrial stages, all starting from one tiny cocoon. And once you see how it's made, you will never look at silk the same way again.
Sample batch 23 is next for analysis. Understood? Retrieving the tray now. This one looks healthy. Check for spots.
None visible. Moving to quarantine.
Good. Log it on the tablet. Increasing tension to stabilize the feed. Readings are stable at 22.5. Levels are steady in this sector. Confirmed, all parameters are green. Good. Moving to the next station.
Sheets moving steady. Keep the tension even. On it.
Process parameters stable, initiating next batch. Vapor levels rising, confirming output.
Rollers are synced. How's the tension? Looks good. Keep the speed steady. Watch for ripples on the edges. Got it. Speed looks good. Let's bump it up. Agreed. Pressing the button. Holding steady at 16.1. Steam's building up nicely. Good. Keep an eye on the pressure. On it. The reds are setting well. All right, that's secure. Let's get it moved. Right, on 3. Order 34551, aisle D34.
Got it. This is the last roll?
Great, send it to packing. Okay, bring the forks in now!
Looks good. Keep it steady.
Pallet 1, silk bolts confirmed. Row 2 secured, any checks, sir?
Let's see the finish on this. Edges are good, no flaws. This pattern has a beautiful drape. Yes, the texture is exquisite. It complements the sketches. I agree. Notice the fluid drape of this charmeuse. It's exquisite. The sheen is perfect. This one is ideal. Thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful. You're very welcome. Enjoy it. I will. Have a great day. You too.